Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a wreath using this 18-inch wreath form that I picked up from Walmart. And this is some burlap and ribbon that I already had. So I'm utilizing some items I already had to cut down on cost. So I'll be creating my wreath using this beautiful bouquet that I picked up from Walmart for $5.88. As you can see, I've already started cutting some of the florals off, and those are some pine cones and not walnut, but pine cones and acorns that I also picked up from Walmart. And so I'm gonna start out wrapping this ribbon around the wreath form so I can have something to adhere the florals to, because I do not plan on using a lot of hot glue. I'm going to use a small amount just to help create my form. And this video is part of the seasonal DIY and decor challenge that's being hosted by Christina over at the DIY Mommy's channel. And if you haven't checked out her channel, you are missing out, because she has beautiful decor. She shows you all kind of ways to decorate your home on a budget, and she just has a beautiful channel. She has beautiful content. So I'll have her link to her channel in my description box, and I'll also have a link to the playlist in the description box. And what you were to do is create some type of, since this is fall, create some type of fall decor or do a fall DIY. And so that's what I'm doing, a wreath. This wreath is for my daughter. And what I'm going to do is just slide the floral in between these folds. That way, if my daughter wanted to use these florals again at a later date, she can use them also in an arrangement, put them in a vase later. So I just thought it was a great way to save money, basically, by being able to utilize these florals again at a later date. So I am going to continue to decorate the wreath. These florals are in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. I'll have the small ones at the top, and then I'll come along with the medium, and the large ones are going to be at the bottom. And I'm going to leave the left side open so that she can add her monogram. So I'm going to stop talking and let you just enjoy the video and listen to the music. And as I stated, I want to go ahead and thank Christina of the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge. And I also want to thank you guys for taking time out to watch this video. This channel is Creating with Miss V, and on this channel I inspire you to do it yourself. And if you like doing DIY projects and saving money, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So as stated earlier, I want to go ahead and thank you for watching this video and enjoy the music.
want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and fell love feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a same night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. More give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with